Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete pinned locations on the map. First, you need to open Google Maps on your mobile device. Once Google Maps is open, look for the Contribute option. It is usually located at the bottom of the screen. In the Contribute menu, you will see various options. Look for and tap on Edit Maps. This option allows you to make changes to the map data. After that, tap on Add or Fix a Place. In the list of options, choose Remove a Place. Now you will see the pinned locations on the map. Tap on the one you want to delete. This will select it for removal. After selecting the pinned location, tap on Next. Google Maps will ask you to provide a reason for deleting the location. Once you have selected the reason, tap on Submit to confirm the deletion request. You have successfully deleted the pinned location from Google Maps. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.